Welcome back everyone to Pontus Fathom Hobbies. This is our paint through video for the Tywin Lannister miniature for A Song of Ice and Fire. We've got the Lannister Heroes set. You can see Tywin in the box art there that we'll use it as a reference. We'll get the mini out, get it zenithal primed, and then get our first coats of paint put on it. Thank you for watching. Take a little closer look at the sculpt here. The card here says Tywin Lannister, Lord of Casterly Rock. There's a tool for every task and a task for every tool. He is quite a majestic figure. He's got plate on. It looks like some kind of banded plate. He's got his red cloak. He's got a long sword. Looking pretty majestic. Looking forward to getting this painted. We'll get the zenithal paint job done. We'll put some base coat paints on it, and we will get into the details. Pontos Phantom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. We've got a bookstore link down in the description where you can check out works like The Dirges of the Alabaster Kings, The Esoteric Dragon Mysteries Decoding the Dragon Symbol in Myth and Occult Traditions, and Lost Carcosa and the Yellow Sign. We've also got the Catu Journals out of Lovecraft Providence Omnibus, Artificial Psychoanalysis of Designing Machines, and our Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga. Our most recent offering is The Alchemical Courtship with Aim Aimless, Aim Vicious, Volume 1 taking place in Lovecraft's dreamland city of Celophaeus. Volume 2 takes place in Dalathleen. Volume 3 takes place in the Temple of Hypnos in Ruin Thron. And Volume 4 will be released soon. It is Beloved, Believe, Bedailed, in which we explore Lost Carcosa versus the Dreamlands. Now back to our paint through. But that's going to wrap it up for our tabletop ready paint through for Tywin Lannister. We're going to get him on the tabletop. I'm going to do a Lannister versus Baratheon game. So if you guys like and subscribe, ring the bell, you'll get notified when we start to play that game. So looking forward to getting this on the tabletop. We'll take you out with some hero shots, and thanks for watching.